friends, welcome. Today we're going to be making a matcha latte. Okay, so I've been curious about making this for a while, and so my husband bought me the matcha tea, and he also bought this beautiful set to make matcha. So let's see what's in here. Okay. So let me bring this closer so you can see. So there's some foam. Then we have, I'm not sure what this is, but I'm going to open it. Okay, so we got it open. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is like a little towel, if you will.
Turn it around. Is that is that a pouch on the other side?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, so you put the little towel down when you're going to be making matcha. And let's see, I think this little thing here, okay, there's the whisk. It's a bamboo whisk, and you take it out like that. And the whisk sits in here like, oh. Okay, so the whisk sits in here like so. Okay. Now, you have to, the instruction says that you have to soak the whisk in hot water so it's not brittle. So let's do that before we do anything else. So we're going to pour some hot water in here and put the whisk in. So we're soaking that. Okay. I'm going to leave this water over here. So let's see what else we got. Okay, this is the matcha bowl, see? And it has a little pouring spout here. So we're gonna put that here. And then we have the strainer, and we have this little scooper. It's a little like bamboo scooper. So we're gonna put that there. And there's nothing else in here, so we're gonna put this away for now. Okay, so now we're gonna have to put about 3.5 grams of powder, which is about 2 scoops. 2 scoops. Okay, now we have to sift this so there's no lumps. Oh, that was pretty easy. Okay, so that's good. Now we have to add about a tablespoon of water. Oops. And then you have to use this whisk and whisk it. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Okay, that's looking nice and smooth. It only takes a few minutes. Okay. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of honey because I like a little sweetness in there. This is optional, the honey. And I'll give it another whisk. And then I'm going to add another 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. And you want to work up a nice foam like that. See, I got a nice, beautiful foam going. Okay, now we're going to add some milk. And then you just pour the matcha right in there, like so. And stir it up. Then you have a glass filled with ice. And you just pour this luscious drink right over that. And look how beautiful. Now I have to give it a taste. That is beautiful with just a little bit of honey in there. It gives it a nice mild taste, but it came out absolutely beautiful, and I will make this every day because it is so healthy for you. Now, I also made another video on my channel, and it explained all the health benefits of matcha. So go back, look at the other video, and you'll get all the facts about how healthy this drink is. Thank you all so very much for watching and for your patience while I go through and make this, because this is the first time I'm making it. Thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy.